on how to simplify a radical, so I'm going to use example 3 from the practice. So we were looking at the square root of 108. 108, if we make a factor tree, you can split it up a bunch of ways. I'm going to split it up into 12 and 9. 12 can further be broken down into 2. 2 is prime, and 6. Then 6 can be broken down into 2, which is prime, and 3, which is prime. Then I have to break down 9, which gets broken down into 3 and 3. All right, so then if I want to rewrite the square root of 108 into its prime factors, I would write it as the square root of 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Then I'm going to look for any number that is multiplied by itself once. So I'm going to take out the 2 2's. They're going to leave as 1, which would make this 2 square root of 3 times 3 times 3. Now I'm left with 3 multiplied by itself 3 times, but square root only breaks down when things have been multiplied by itself once. So we're going to just take out a pair of 3's because that's like 3 squared. So what will be outside the radical is a 2 and a 3, and we'll be left with 1 3 inside. And then to finish off simplifying it, we're going to multiply the two numbers outside the radical. That will become 6, radical 3, and that's your answer. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email.